there are this Alpinestars waterproof jacket and Alpinestars waterproof. Okay. Jacket and pants combination. And the good thing for this jacket and riding pants, this is a waterproof, so you can ride it any type of weather. This is all season. This is from the Alpinestars company. This is the trouser. Okay. And this is with protection, knee protection. This is a waterproof jacket. Water pants. This Alpinestars ST-1 Waterproof. So waterproof and breathable. So you can use it anywhere. And this is the jacket. And this is it has a thermal liner. Even in the cold weather you can use it. And this has a removable thermal. Look, you can remove it. Okay. And it has also with shoulder protector, elbow protector, and the back protector is not included, so you have to buy it separately. Okay. So, nice color. Okay. Dark blue, black. This Alpinestars ST Waterproof Jacket. Okay, then we will